Mm-hmm. I am very sweaty right now. Gross and humid. Anyway, we're going to be painting this car, and you can see up there it's about to rain any minute now, so we're just doing it because it's our day off. And this car's been sitting in there for 4 or 5 days, something like that. It's been raining, so this afternoon it should be clear. My phone says for like 5 hours before it rains again. We're gonna paint everything, shove it back in the garage, and it's gonna be great. You guys don't know what color it is, and we're gonna be using the Rust-Oleum Turbo Black, so it's gonna be black. I've never shot one of these, but on video it has a wide fan area. We just need to wipe them down and we can spray them.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, this is kind of nerve-wracking.
Especially since it's so windy now.
It's so windy. Crazy weird.
Crazy weird.
Crazy weirdness.
Well, we're done.
Done. I guess, I don't know. I've always wanted to do that. That's crazy.
We were supposed to start on the other side in case it rains.
Too late. I'm very far and it's windy, so.
Sorry, there was a bug on me. I don't know what it was. Wait, no, stop looking, see if there's a bug on me.
Yes.
What was it?
That.
Oh my god, that was on me! Ah!
I'm not trying to ignore you, I just don't want it to rain. You okay?
That's why I don't go outside.
Your face is pretty hilarious. Anybody else impressed how, like, I'm almost done with half the car?
Glad you got 5 cans to do the car with.
Yeah.
It's the practice code.
Yeah, practice code, so I can get used to those nozzles. I was just so impressed. And if I took it apart, it would be a lot better, so I can focus on smaller pieces, but I can feel the overspray on my hairs.
I'm sorry, you said you could hear them?
I can feel them.
You said here.
Oh, I meant feel.
They're speaking to you. Guess who's pressure washing the driveway later? The sky.
Yeah.
Blueberry, wow. Oh no!
Like, I'm in such a hurry to beat the rain.
I mean, I guess you still have that spray paint.
Spider! No! No, don't do it. That's the worst thing.
It's gonna jump at you.
Got it. Oh, I left a little something there.
I like that you didn't even question the fact that I put all these things in a glove. You just went with it.
I like it. I think it's tacky enough where I can go a little heavier over here. Mainly because of the time constraints, but my watch, I don't want it to be tacky.
You put it with mine. I'll be super extra Power Ranger.
Check it out, guys. She has an Apple and a Samsung.
Oh my god, I'm so extra cool. Why does it say 3?
It's zoomed in.
Oh.
I don't know about you guys, but I really like these spray cans. I don't know why.
You don't know why? Probably because you're almost done with your car and you barely touched one can.
Yeah, it's almost done.
Okay. Oh, guess what I just felt?
Rain?
A raindrop, yeah. Oh wait, no, it was black paint. Literally. How did you do that?
I have no idea. I mean, it's been shooting off.
Blackberry and Izzy are gonna match. I'm sorry, blueberry. I already said I wasn't gonna call it blackberry.
There's still some paint in there, but it's starting to spit. I'm gonna say there's like that much left on that one and it's stuttering, so I'm just gonna switch to a different can. But yeah, that's one can essentially.
Let's see what we did with one can. You should leave the hood like that.
No.
That's really good for one can.
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna need more than 3.
No. They're kind of expensive compared to the other ones, but there's another spider. Don't touch it though.
Oh my god, what is he? Ah! Don't you blow that at me.
It's gone. Okay. Oh yeah, this one shoots a lot better now. I think every spray can should do this. Like, this is amazing. No!
Do you know what kills me? We spent months making sure that you had a blue IS300.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But it's okay. I like him black better because he's gonna match my car.
He is. I'm gonna wait because that has paint on it. Here. Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Oh no! What did you do?
I have no idea. Can you move, please?
Yeah. Can you sand that out?
Probably.
Yeah, I mean, there's a couple imperfections. But at the same time, with a regular spray can, I think it took you like an hour just to do my bumper.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
I mean, we primered this with the regular cans.
Yeah. And it took a while. You're just gonna go for it?
Well, I'm gonna wait like 5
Okay.
minutes.
Okay, gotcha. What are your thoughts on it so far?
I like it. See, look, even got some paint.
Yeah, you have one of those on your forehead.
I wish I wasn't doing this rushed. I think if I had like enough space in like a shop or something, like we can actually do a decent job with spray paint with these ones. But we're out here. It's gonna get debris. It's gonna get spiders. It's gonna get rained on. Try not to. But pretty sad about that giant run over there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to blend it in a little bit. I think that's the best way to do it, just instead of trying to be like all fancy and run with it.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I got that run over there. Yeah, if you have the spray can upside right like this, it's smooth. See, I missed a spot there, but that's not the spray can's fault.
Yes, it is.
It is.
So what now?
So I mentioned, I think I mentioned that this paint was extra sticky, and you can see this is after like 3 washes with baking soda and soap and stuff. So that's one way to get a tan, I think. I got way too many runs. I think I got 3 or 4 aggressive runs. So I'm gonna wait for the paint to dry and then sand it and then repaint it again. But the other 80% of the car is fine. Now the paint is barely, I guess it's dried with the touch. It's a little tacky, but it's not coming off. So I do want to spray some clear on the areas that aren't going to be sanded, just for my curiosity. So like, the doors are fine, the trunk is fine.
I think we're going to wrap that anyway.
I think I'm just going to wrap the hood because those spray cans are really good at getting the side of the car, but once you put them like over, you know, I guess 90 degrees, they start spitting, and it's too bad. But I think that if you're gonna spray paint a car, it should be with those turbo spray cans, because I got a little excited. I don't know if we talked about it, but I was like running with the can, and that's how I got this run. Like I was running and...
Oh, this camera picks it up way better.
Yeah, so it's pretty aggressive. If you're gonna use those cans, I think the best way to do it is just focus on a small area. Focus on a small area and just, I think that's the best way to do it. The camera was on and I was trying to show up. Darn it. I said that whoever guessed the color of the car, I was gonna put their Instagram, so I forgot your name because I have to look back to see who won, but I think one person won, so congratulations!
It was Josh_JB.
Josh, you are a smart person. I didn't think it was going to be, I thought it was going to be super obvious. If you watched the previous video, which I know a lot of people didn't watch it, I thought it was pretty obvious that it was going to be black. Tricked a lot of people.
The turbo cans only come in black and white?
Yeah, black and white and then primer, which I didn't know until after we primed the car.
You want to get the bug off of it first?
Maybe.
Hello, sir.
Don't touch him! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Don't!
He's stuck. No! You're gonna break it!
Get out of here, sir!
Here, let me do it.
Don't, you're gonna destroy him. Hang on to the leaf. Oh!
Okay.
Wow, good job.
Thank you.
Don't
I can't not do
don't
it. There's a
touch it.
thing.
That's the it's so I feel less powerful now.
It almost looks like it's got glitter in it.
Oh no. You see it spidering?
Yep.
That's a chemical reaction. Either the chemicals from this and the other chemicals don't like each other, or it's not dry enough to... Why did I put... I should have just leave it alone. Future.
Wait, no, there's bugs. What did you say?
Future. Like Squidward when he goes to the future and everything's chrome. And he's like, future. No.
Can that be the opening for this video?
I ruined it. It's so gross and sweaty. Look at it, it looks gross now.
Maybe you can buff it out.
I got so many cans of these clear coat. And I was about to say, wow, I'm surprised I don't see any chemical reactions. It would have to be on the driver's side door where I get in.
Use when temperature is between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So I think we are at 75 right now, and humidity is below 65%. So you can never use this in Georgia.
Anybody want to buy a spray painted IS300? And this is where Blueberry's going to be for the next couple days. Yes, okay.
Right next to the 2JZ.
It is a 2JZ, yes. Got big plans.
One in there too.
This one has a 2JZ? This is the weak one, but the car's here. It actually looks better in the shade. No.
I thought it was one color.
Yeah, it's solid one color, even though it needs work, but
Not 50 Shades of Blue.
I'm still bummed out about this reaction. So Dale says that when we buff it, it should get rid of that, but I don't think it will.
Professional mechanic manual.
But yes, right. Good thing I only did this little section and then we stopped because of the reaction. I don't know.
I mean, it looks cool still.
It doesn't look cool.
It does look cool. It's got like a funky texture to it.
Don't squish my finger.
Where are your windshield wipers at?
On top of the spare engine.
Okay.
Yeah, I took them off so they're easier to wrap.
You're okay on it.